In this video, we'll discuss what's included when you purchase the Tortolita hydraulic press. The press comes with a couple of accessories and a manual hand pump, as well as a 10-ton hydraulic cylinder. The frame is built with heavy-duty, high-quality steel and is fully powder-coated for rust prevention. The hose is 40 inches long and includes a quick connect fitting. There are also a couple of accessories included with the purchase of the press, and that includes 2 aluminum spacers that are machined to fit in the working window of the press. If you plan to use your Tortolita with either pancake dies or silhouette dies, you will want to purchase additional spacers separately. And the other accessory that comes with your press is this die spatula. The working window of the Tortolita press is fairly small, so this spatula allows you to deliver dies to the working area without risking your fingers. We know you're going to love this Tortolita press as much as we do, and we can't wait for you to try it out. Head to potterusa.com to check out all the details.